Good morning, viewers at home. This is Mathematics with Dr. OJ. In this video, we shall look at some areas of application of factorization. Click the subscribe button below the video and the notification bell so that each time I upload this video, you'll be duly notified. In this example, we are to factorize 9x squared plus 14x minus 8. Here we want to look at factorization in quadratic equations. Factorization, like we have discussed in the previous video, is a very veritable tool that is used in solving quadratic equation. But it has so many applications in mathematics. One of the applications of factorization is in quadratic equations. Let us look at this example. Factorize 9x squared plus 14x minus 8 is equals to 0. Now, we shall follow the following steps. The first step, step 1, is we are going to multiply the first term by the last term. 9x squared multiplied by minus 8. That will give us minus 72x squared. That is the first step. Now, the second step we are going to take is we find the product pairs of factors of minus 72x squared. That is, two pair of numbers that when you use the pair to multiply each other, you have minus 72x squared. There are so many of them. You can have 72 could be minus 9x squared, minus 9x by multiplied by plus 8x. Since you are looking for a product factor that gives you minus, so you can alternate as well. You can say plus 9x minus 8x. That's a pair. You can equally have 36x multiplied by 2x. Let's say minus plus. So that means it can be plus 36x minus 2x. You can as well have minus 6x 12x plus 6x 12x. You can have plus 24x minus 3x or minus 24x plus 3x. At the same time, you can have what? Plus 18x minus 4x. You can have minus 18x plus 4x. At the same time, you can have what? 72x plus 72x minus x minus 72x plus x. These are the possible factors of minus 72x squared. Besides this, I don't think there is any other factors that if multiply the pair together will give us minus 72x squared. Okay, so that step 2 is complete. Now for us to go to step 3, we now have to look at which of these pair of factors will give us plus 14x for us to be able to factorize. Because plus 14x is the second term in this quadratic equation. We now look at which of these pair of factors will give us plus 14x. The one that will give us plus 14x, obviously, if you look at this one will give us minus 9x plus 8x will give us minus x. This one will give us plus x. You will just add like that. This one will give us minus 34x. This one will give us plus 34x. This one will give us plus 6x. Yes, this one will give us, I think this one is yes, plus 6x. Then minus 6x. This one will give us plus 21x. This one will give us minus 21x. This one will give us plus 14x. This one will give us minus 14x. So obviously, without wasting our time, this will give us the one we are looking for. That is plus 14x. Okay? Now, we're now going to what? We're now going to replace. We replace what? We now replace step 3. Step 3. Replace plus 14x by plus 18x minus 4 x. That is, we have 9x squared plus 18x minus 4x minus 8 equals to 0. So we now look for what is common between the first two terms. 9 is common, x is common. So we have 9x, because 9 can go in 9 can go in 18. So if you divide 9x squared by 9x, we get what? X. That's open the bracket and write the x. Then plus 18x divided by plus 9x. That's plus x cancelling x, 9 in 18, that's 2. Then minus, because minus is the first sign here, pick minus. Now what is common between 4 and 8 is 2. No, sorry, it's 4. Sorry. 4 can go in 4 and 8. Okay? So that means if you divide 4x by 4, we are going to have what? X. We have x. Now dividing minus 8 by minus 4, that is plus 2, is equal to 0. Alright? Now with that we are going to pick a pair of factors, the one outside and the one inside. So 9x, then minus 4, that's the one outside. Then pick one out of the one in the bracket. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, that implies 9x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So that will be, if you transfer 4 to the other side, it comes 9x is equal to 4. Yes, because minus will change to plus there. 0 plus 4, that's 4. Then x will be, divide both sides by 9. 4 all over 9. Then the other one, x is equal to 0 minus 2, that's minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 4 over 9 or minus 2. That is that about that. So don't forget to subscribe to my video channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video. Thanks and God bless you.